Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumaira Anjum. In this video, I'm going to take you all to my first day of polytechnic college. So, let's get started. So, I just woke up and it's 5:38 in the morning. And I'm so proud that I woke up so early after so many days. So, I got ready for the college and right now I'm going to college. As you have seen in my previous videos, I have visited many diploma colleges and I've known about them too. And finally, I decided to join Hindu College of Engineering and Technology. So here I'm going to the college. So the college timings were from 10 to 1 p.m. So I went and came back home. Obviously, I can't take phone to college, so I didn't take and shoot anything in the college. So after coming back home, I revised everything what was taught on that day. Honestly, first day went on really good. Teachers came to the classes and they introduced themselves and they asked us to introduce ourselves. And it was pretty good. All the things which you do on the first day, generally we did all that, and the feeling was very different because it's an engineering college and we were the juniors of the college, so it was so nice. It was way different from school life. Like we met new friends and I also had one or two school friends also. But कुछ अलग सी feeling थी college में. And till now, let me tell you that the counseling is not yet completed. Just before the counseling, college has started. Just for orientation classes. So on 29th we have our counseling and then we have to choose our colleges. So these days we are learning some basics like trigonometry basics in maths, and in physics we started units and dimensions chapter, and you'll learn some computers and chemistry also. So this 1 week is going to be really enjoyable because it's just basic class, and these basics will be really important and they'll be useful for our future classes too. And what I thought is कि every day after coming home I shall revise this syllabus of that day on that day itself. ये मैं हर साल सोचती हूँ, लेकिन एक दिन करती हूँ, 2 दिन करती हूँ, 1 week, then I just leave it. But this year I have some confidence in me that I'll do it. So let's see how long it goes. Every day, whatever the classes were taught, I'll just revise them on that day itself. I suggest you to do so as well, so that it will be so easy and we'll have some satisfaction too that we have learned something in that day. So that's what I'm doing here by revising the day schedule, and yeah, enjoy the video. So after my first day of college, I came back home and I was studying the classes which were told on the day. I mean, I revised it at home. I explained all the classes to myself, and then थोड़ा सा deep जाने के लिए I searched in YouTube about some topics and I came to know more about them. ऐसा करने से ना you'll feel relaxed and you'll feel confident to give your exam, and you'll definitely do very good in your exams. And for a few days of orientation classes, we have only 5 subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, drawing and computers. So what I'm doing is I'm searching some topic whichever I'm going through in Google or YouTube. You can also do this. You can also search in different websites, or there are many sources to search for information. You can do so and gain more knowledge on that subject. Believe me, you'll feel so happy after doing this. So do try and let me know in the comment section how you felt. And one more thing is, start making effective notes which can help you till the end of the year. The notes which you make at the start will be helpful to the end of the year, even before the exams. So I studied for 1 or 1.5 hours for that day, and I thought कि बस I am done for the day. And उतना पढ़ना मेरे लिए काफ़ी था. I learned a few things, but I learned it perfectly. This is what quality education is. Whatever you learn, you have to learn it perfectly. So that means whatever the teacher or anyone asks you regarding that topic, you should be able to answer the question. So that's how I do, that's how I learn. And having siblings is also a plus point, because you can just explain things to them, because they are gonna face that year what you're studying next after you. So I'll just explain things to my brother, so that I will also get a habit and he will also understand things. So after my studying, I helped him in his studies as well as, and I gave him some suggestions. If you have any siblings, you can do so. So that's it for today's video. That's how my first day of college went on, and I hope you also did well on the first day of your school or college, whatever you're going through. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.